Hello guys, I'm Will. So this time I want to show you how to make the connection between the lithium battery and the inverter, because lots of people are interested in this part. So there are two connections about this. One is with the communication between the inverter and the lithium battery, and second one is non-communication. You can just use the inverter to invert an output. So this video I want to show you in non-communication mode, how do we set. Okay, first look what I'm prepared. This is sitting as lithium battery, the nominal voltage 51.2 volts. And this is the BMS, is 200 ampere working current. So this one is the Gruot inverter. It's a brand Gruot. I think you know this brand. Okay, so there's three sets how to set to a non-communication mode. Okay, look carefully. By the way, before setting, I want to say all the inverters, smart inverter can support communication mode and non-communication mode. So how to set? You can check the user menu. Just like this type of Gruot, I check the user menu. I know if I want to use non-smart, I should choose the battery type, non-lithium battery type. Okay, let's set this. So I will use this one as an example. Just long press the enter button, choose this code to number 5. You can choose the battery type. So here, you can see this is the battery type. This is the floods lead acid battery, which means is the not lithium battery. But you can choose like user menu or Li battery. So if you want to communicate, we choose this one. But now I want to show you non-communication mode. So this one, okay? Just double check. Okay, so now it's done, non-communication mode. So there's no lights here because it's just invert and output. So where to use the device alert to prove it can work normally. Let's see. See, you can hear it's work. It can work. So that prove it's successfully. So this is under non-communication mode. But if some people, they want to communicate with the battery, the lithium battery, how to do it? Then you have to use an interface board with this BMS. But how to set it, how to connect, make the connection between the inverter and the BMS part. In next video, I will show you more in details. Okay, see you, bye.